The world population is growing exponentially. Food production needs to keep up with that growth. The challenge is to produce more quality food in less time, aggregating sustainability. What is the secret to overcome this challenge? The answer is knowledge. In a small portion of the planet, this is a reality. Year after year, the use of new technology delivers new cereal grain production records. That knowledge applied to agriculture and cattle raising placed the western region of Paraná as the highest grain producer in Brazil. In 2 decades, the region's average productivity has grown 244%. This success is the reflex of a world-known event, the Copavel Rural Show. Taking place in the summer in the southern hemisphere, the event concentrates in the diffusion of new technology that catapults the Brazilian agribusiness production. Thousands of rural entrepreneurs from Brazil and abroad come to the event searching for knowledge to help expand production and profitability. The event is held in a private place built solely for that purpose. In a 72-hectare area, 400 exhibitors receive an average of more than 180,000 people during the 5-day event, congregating nearly 4,000 professionals. National and transnational companies exhibited an average of 5,000 experimental and demonstrative parcels. New research, equipment, machinery, and vehicle technology not only attract visitors' attention, but generate a great amount of business, making the daily work in the properties easier. The Copavel Rural Show is a sizable structure planned to offer knowledge, comfort, in addition to be the agribusiness event, where at national level holds the largest volume of business in the sector. Attendance to the event is free to visitors, who benefit from free parking, a 4,000-seat restaurant, fresh and cold water throughout the park, shaded ways, and resting spaces. Since its beginnings in 1989, the event has attained a large scope and importance. Contribution to the Copavel Rural Show is not measured only by the superlative numbers of the event. Its contribution was central to the productivity increase and the change on environmental conscience of the rural entrepreneur. The evolution of the rural entrepreneur is the result of knowledge acquired from the event. Producing more with quality and swiftness in a sustainable way, the Copavel Rural Show demonstrates that knowledge is the only way to bring profit to producers and benefit to the planet. Copavel Rural Show, the largest technological event of the Brazilian agribusiness. A great opportunity to teach and learn.